Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll go over some real recent examples of technical charts of growth stocks like Tesla, Amazon, and JD. But these are techniques that you can apply to any stock chart. JD's recent technical chart is beautiful and perfect learning material, so I'll start with this one. It bottomed and then consolidated with higher lows before breaking out from the resistance that was marked by its 200-day simple moving average, or SMA, that's in red. Notice that two indicators suggested a potential bottom. First, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, hit below 30, so the stock was oversold, and it eventually rose above the 30 mark. Second, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, had the black line crossing above the red line, which indicated a change in direction of the stock. The bottom was finally confirmed when JD's stock climbed above the 50-day simple moving average, and it consolidated to eventually break above the long-term SMA. Please like, subscribe, or comment if you enjoy or learn something from the video. It helps a lot. Up next, we have Tesla. It's a super interesting chart. The growth stock had a resistance of about $350 for a long time, arguably for about 1.5 years, and it traded in a channel between that resistance and about $250. Tesla finally broke below the bottom of the channel at $250 before hitting a bottom below $200. You can see the RSI hitting 30, the stock bouncing from a bottom and later confirmed by the MACD, black line crossing above the red. And when it had that long bar that broke above the 3 SMAs, it was a positive signal. And it was super duper positive technically when Tesla broke above the $350 long-term resistance and the stock almost tripled from there to over $900, creating a short-term bubble. Tesla is super overbought with an RSI of over 90, but a downtrend doesn't start potentially until the RSI crosses below 70. Still, a shooting star is a bearish signal. Lastly, we have Amazon. The stock failed to break out in July 2019, and it retreated to the 50-day simple moving average. Then it traded at neutral territory, which was an RSI of about 50 for a few months before it accumulated strength at about $1,900, and finally popped above $2,000. Where will the stocks go from here? You'll find that a lot of the positive price action of these stocks are driven by fundamental strength of the companies, such as reporting positive financial results for a quarter. So technical charts are a useful helper for me to identify buy or sell price targets after I've identified a fundamentally strong company I want to invest in. Please note I'm not recommending any of these stocks. I'm just sharing my opinions and observations, and you're responsible for your own investment decisions.